Welcome back to the channel, and here we go with another video. Like I told you before, a little short guy, M3 1000 bike, but this guy just seemed to, I don't know. When he drives and corners, he corners hard. So what we're gonna be doing to this car, we're gonna be doing some end links and stabilize the bar. So when you go around the corner, it doesn't bounce. He just wants to whip around the corner. I don't know if he thinks it's his bike or what, but hey, it's a great upgrade because compared to the ones in the car, man, these ones are beefy. And let me show you what they look like. So we got these from Hodgkins, straight off the press. I mean, we had to wait on them. They had to make all of this because they didn't have any in stock. But look at the size of this thing. How many mil? This was 32 mil or 34 mil. I can't remember what it is. I have to check the invoice, but no one else make them this thick. The ones from IBOC or ECS or you name it, they weren't this thick. And we also get brand new, look at the size of these things, man. These are massive. He's gonna be going around the corner like there's no tomorrow. Now, from what I'm hearing, the back is a bastard to get on. So I don't know how long this is gonna take me, because you know, I'm doing other stuff and the kid and you know, just home and life, work, cars. Not enough hours in a day to do this stuff, but we're gonna get it done, and I'm gonna take this thing for a drive before he does and see how it is. I won't be driving as hard as he does, because for one, it ain't my car, and two, I don't drive as hard as he does anyway, so I'm not ready for this, but gotta do it anyway. Oh, I also forget to mention, these are adjustable, so we're gonna be having some fun with this car. So I don't know which setting we're gonna use it. I gotta figure out which setting is what first, and then we're gonna see, you know, trial and error, see which one he likes the best. Yeah, that's right. I upgraded to a quick jack. I'm not gonna be bothering with jack stands anymore, baby. This thing, oh, one of the best things I've ever done. I love it. Makes jobs so much easier. It's so much easier to work under the cars now. Get it? There she is. Now I got so much more room to work than when I was using jack stand, and it's quite stable, so I don't have to worry about anything. We first have to remove the end links. For the one at the top here, sorry, the one at the top here, it has on the back of it, I hope you can focus, you have to put a number 19 wrench on the back, or it's gonna keep spinning in here. On the other end, it's a number 17. So yeah, as usual, BMW used two different sizes. So 19 on one end to hold it, and then the other nut on the other side is a 16. And once you do that, it will come off quite easy. I have to remove all this under tray under here, which is down there. So you remove the skid plate from here and all the stuff from the front here. We have these two, one here and one down here. Once we take those off, the bar should just fall off, I hope. But I guess we get to find out together. Here we go. Get it? Here's the one that came off. This is the one that's going on. Let's see what the size difference is. We're on 0. Now, this one is 32 mil. I'm gonna 0 it again. And now, this one is 26.7 mil. That's a big difference. Somebody's gonna be riding dirty. Now we're gonna put the bushings on. They're all greased up and everything. Put one on this side, and then we're gonna throw the other one on the other side. See, when it's greased up, it just slips on so easy. I'm not gonna say it, don't worry, I'm not gonna say it. And one down. One to go. Where is the other one? There it is. Whoops! And these things come with a grease nipple, so you can grease it up after you're done. So this is just for now, and then once we're done, we're gonna give it a nice greasing. Stage 1 complete. Get it? Get it? Look at the difference between the stock and the upgraded ones. These are a lot beefier, man, and they're fully adjustable on both ends. This is nice. This is gonna handle it really good. Now the hard part is getting this connected at the bottom, because I'm gonna have to put both wheels back on, jack up both sides of the suspension to where it would normally sit when it's on the ground, and then connect the end links to the sway bar. This way it's corrected to the right tension, because if you just go ahead and put it in anywhere now, it won't have the correct adjustment. So once you put the suspension back where it's supposed to be, then connect it, oh baby, as I say, we're gonna be riding dirty. Here are the holes they're supposed to go in, and you see the distance between this and this here. So now, once I put some pressure on the suspension here, it's gonna raise it up, and then it's gonna line up. So now we're gonna have tension on it. So when you put it on the ground, it's gonna be where it's supposed to be. See, most people usually just connect it, and that's when they put it on the ground, it doesn't ride as good. Once you take the tension off now, and you put it in here, you drop it on the ground, we be riding dirty. There it is, all lined up now. Now I just have to put it in, but doing this alone is quite tedious. So I'm gonna line it up, and then I'm gonna tighten everything up, and then I'm gonna show you guys a final pick of how it looks. Now this is one of the main reasons why you don't see people upgrading their sway bars on a M3. It goes over the subframe. You have to lower the subframe. And even then, look at the room. I can barely get my smallest ratchet in there. You know how long I've been going at those bolts with a little quarter turn at a time? And then imagine getting the bar out through all that little space right there. And if that wasn't bad enough, see that bolt? So by the time I finish getting that bolt out that holds the end link on, it's gonna be hitting on the axle. So are they trying to tell me that I have to take the axle out to take out that one little bolt? No, I know why no one's doing this shit. Sorry guys, I can't show you much because my head is in here. There's no room for the camera. You know I got a big head already. So I'll just show you when it's time to get it out, and man, it's gonna be a while. You cannot get to the two bolts on this side unless you remove the gas filler neck that goes down to the tank. Let me show you. The two bolts back there, as you can see, they're out. But this had to be moved. Let me get this light. But this had to be moved out of the way so you can get your hand back there to get the tool in there. To remove that, you have to remove the reliner and take out everything from up there, disconnect everything. And then you drop the subframe bolts. There's one there. There's another one missing there. There's two there. Oh, and another one that runs straight under the car. You have to just loosen those a bit. Yeah, this is not something a lot of guys are gonna, attack at home. But you know me, I'll do anything. Now the bar is loosed. I just have to remove it. Wait, sorry guys, I can't show you that because I'm gonna be rolling in and out, moving in and around here. All I can say is I had enough of this M3. I mean, if it ain't one thing, it's another. On a scale of 1 to 10 in difficulty, the front is a 0. The front is freaking easy. The rear, I don't even know where to put that. Dropping the subframe is not so bad. It's the end links that are the problem. And if I knew this was the problem, I would have never touched those end links. Too late. But I need to get the axle off, and my air tank is just don't hold enough air to crack those nuts open. These nuts. So I'm gonna have to take it to my friend's shop, let him put the two end links on, because there's no other way of getting those bolts out without taking out the axle, and that just makes no freaking sense to me. But like I said, these are one of the mods. This is one of the mods you're gonna do to your car that you're not gonna really see the difference. You're gonna feel the difference. So this video is not one of the best, but it will help out. I do not recommend this. Actually, if you're not going to do the end links, I recommend it. If you want to do the end links, I do not recommend it, because it's gonna be a pain in the ass, and trust me, you're gonna be pulling out whatever here you don't have. So the front is easy. Most people just do the front, and that's fine. If you want to do the rear, dropping this subframe is not bad. Just watch out for the two brake lines. And those brake lines that I couldn't get to do before, now I was able to do them because I dropped the subframe. But just do the front, leave the rear. If you want to do the rear, you can do the bar, but you're not going to be able to do the end links. So if you're satisfied with that, you can do that. And if you want to do the end links, take it to a shop, because getting that axle off is a pain in the ass. Thank God it's done somewhat. Monday we're gonna get the end link done, but I love this car and I hate this car, but I still want one. and I just missed out on one in the auction because I wasn't paying attention. I was getting one, I wasn't paying attention, and I lost out on it. Silly me. But like I said, I'm gonna start getting into more exciting videos, so I'm gonna wrap this M3 up now and start on my other videos while I have some time. So take a watch, see what you like, see what you don't like. Hey, like I said, not much to see, but still something to watch. But that's it for now. So guess what, guys? You know, hit the subscribe button, you know, comment, all that stuff, all that great stuff that makes this channel grow. But I'm tired, and that's it. So laters.